If you're looking to purchase a TV box, two of the best brands on the market today are the SuperBox and the vSeeBox. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing their latest models. So this is the SuperBox S7 MAX and this is the vSeeBox V6 Plus. I chose to compare these two models because they have some of the hardware that is similar and they have also a similar price. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you which one has better performance, better hardware, better specifications, and I'm gonna tell you which one has the best content, and then I'm gonna tell you which TV box to choose in what situation. So let me start first by bringing the camera up close to show you what comes in the box. So in the box of each of the TV boxes, you get the following items. Of course, you get the TV box, you get a remote control, I'm gonna talk about it in a bit, and you get an HDMI cable, documentation, and an adapter. The vSeeBox has a conventional adapter, whereas the SuperBox S7 MAX has an adapter that is USB, and it comes with USB-A to USB-C cable, and this is a small advantage for the SuperBox. Let me show you now the connections on both TV boxes. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see it better. This is the SuperBox. You have the DC input for the power, infrared blaster in case you need it, AV output, HDMI output, 1 gigabits per second Ethernet port, and SPDIF audio. Now the rest of the connections are on the side of the TV box. You have here a restore button to reset the TV box, USB port, USB-C port, and TF card input. Now all the inputs and outputs of the vSeeBox are on the back. You have the power input here, the reset button, the Ethernet port that is only 100 megabits per second. So this is another advantage for the SuperBox because this one is 1 gigabits per second, HDMI output, TF card input, SPDIF output, USB-A 3.0 and USB-A 2.0, and it doesn't have a USB-C port. Now both of them have Wi-Fi 6, but the Bluetooth version on the SuperBox is 5.2 when it was 5.0 on the vSeeBox. Now another form factor difference is that the SuperBox is made completely of metal when the vSeeBox is made of plastic. So for the connections and for the form factor, the SuperBox is a little bit better. Now let me show you the remote controls, because here also there is something that you should know about these remote controls. So this is the SuperBox remote control and this is the vSeeBox remote control. Now when you touch the remote controls, the vSeeBox remote control is better made than the SuperBox, and it is also backlit. But the SuperBox remote control has more advantages than the vSeeBox remote control. So for instance, it has a shortcut for the settings when the vSeeBox doesn't have this. And oddly enough, the vSeeBox remote control doesn't have a mute button when the SuperBox remote has a mute button. Now, one small advantage of the vSeeBox remote is that it has an air mouse, but I tried it, it doesn't work very good. Now, even though the vSeeBox remote is better made and it is backlit, I prefer the SuperBox remote because of the mute button and because of the settings shortcut. So what's the importance of the settings shortcut? The importance is that even if you're watching a movie and you press the settings, you keep watching the movie and you can adjust the settings, like for instance, connecting your headphones. When on the vSeeBox remote, you need to go to the home screen and then navigate to settings and change the settings and then come back and replay the movie. For the internal hardware of both TV boxes, the vSeeBox V6 Plus has two main advantages over the SuperBox S7 MAX. The first advantage, it has much faster processor, which is the ARM Cortex-A55, when the SuperBox S7 MAX has the ARM Cortex-A53, and this shows in the performance of the boxes. So the vSeeBox V6 Plus has very fast and snappy performance. When the S7 MAX, you feel it like a little bit laggy sometimes. And the second advantage of the vSeeBox V6 Plus is that it has Android 14 when the S7 MAX has Android 12. Now for the other specifications, both of them has 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, and they have both also the Mali G31 GPU. To test the speed of both TV boxes, I have run 3D Mark benchmark the slingshot test on both of them, and the vSeeBox V6 Plus absolutely crushed the SuperBox S7 MAX, and this is thanks to its faster processor. So it scored 599 points when the SuperBox S7 MAX scored only 421 points. And this is 40% faster for the V6 Plus, and it shows also in the operation of these TV boxes when the vSeeBox have much snappier and much faster operation than the SuperBox. Before talking about the content, I wanted to tell you that if you want to get any of these TV boxes at a discounted price, you can use my coupon code that I'm going to leave in the description along with my affiliate links. If you make a purchase using the coupon code and the affiliate links, I'm going to gain a small percentage, but this is at no cost to you and this will support my channel. Now, to talk about the content, both TV boxes have the basic content, and the SuperBox has more content than the vSeeBox. But the vSeeBox delivers the content in a more linear and smoother way, so it rarely stutters or cuts or even lags, when the SuperBox lags and cuts a little bit more than the vSeeBox. But whatever TV box you choose, it is always better to use a VPN with these TV boxes. If you don't know how to use a VPN on these TV boxes, I have previously made a video explaining this. You can find the link to this video in the description. And if you want to get NordVPN at a discounted price, I also have an affiliate link in the description. Now, what TV box to choose and why? Both TV boxes have almost the same price, especially when you use my discount coupon code, and both TV boxes are well established in the market. Now, if you want more content, better connections, and a better remote control, my opinion is you should go with the SuperBox S7 MAX. But if you want a faster TV box with more stable performance, you need to go with the vSeeBox V6 Plus. At the end of the day, you cannot go wrong with any of these TV boxes. If you feel that my video gave you some value, please consider subscribing to my channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and sharing it. I want to thank you all for watching. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.